Happy congratulations for
Angelina.
this. Angelina, yeah. Congratulations. May we know paano nagsimula ito sa inyong, how do you create this masterpiece of yours?
It just happened one night. There are nights kasi na biglang may gumaganon sa head ko, and I was talking to a sound designer actually. We were talking, and then all of a sudden a light bulb, and I said, hey, you know what? What if I get you for this thing I thought about? What if sound directed the actor? What if sound came first before everything else? And in fact, I even wanted to turn it into a film. But the film also is gonna be improvisational, not kahon. Hindi pwedeng kahon. And then she agreed, no? But after a couple days that we tried, it just didn't work between us. She didn't get what I wanted, and what I wanted to how do you say, communicate. And there was a barrier right there, a resistance. So I went here, nakipagkwentuhan ako, and Ryder said, man, let's do it. And then Jeffrey said, and he'll direct, and I said, yeah, okay, let's do it. And so there it started first with sound. What would sound do? Like the sound, let's say if birds are chirping is the first thing that enters your mind, you're in the meadows? Or could birds chirping sound like your neighbors gossiping about you? These questions, or do birds chirping remind you of the day that you were going to go to the funeral parlor to visit your mom the first time? What exactly? That's why it's called audire. Parang listen. So to me, it's that literal way na parang pag may narinig kang car ka agad na i-imagine mo. Hindi. Paano kung may narinig kang car tapos may distant memory about it? In, let's say, Siquijor, while you were snorkeling.